Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix common bugs and glitches in your Gmail application. So the most easiest and most common method is to simply clear out the temporary data or the cache of your Gmail application. To do this, simply hold on to your Gmail application and click on the app info option at the top. Then from here, what we're going to do is simply click on the storage usage, and from here simply click the clear cache option. So once that is done, the error might be resolved. And if that does not work, what you can try to do is simply force stop the application and then click again, and then try to relaunch the application again or restart your mobile device. So comment out if that worked for you. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.